Has Ethereum reached an attractive zone for long-term investment? Today, we're taking a look at Ethereum on the monthly timeframe and discussing why the $1,500 to $2,000 range could be a very attractive zone for long-term investors. If we zoom out and look at the bigger picture, Ethereum has gone through a significant correction since reaching its all-time highs. After peaking in the $4,000 to $5,000 area, the market entered a prolonged consolidation phase, and now price is trading near a major long-term support zone. One of the most important things on this chart is the rising trend line. This trend line has been respected multiple times over the years, and every time price has approached it, buyers have stepped in to defend the market. The more times a trend line holds on a higher time frame, like the monthly chart, the more significant it becomes. Right now, Ethereum is once again testing that long-term support area. We can see price trading around the lower green demand zone, which has historically been an area where strong buying interest entered the market. From a technical perspective, this is exactly the type of area that long-term investors tend to watch closely. Another reason this zone is interesting is the risk-to-reward profile. If Ethereum can successfully hold above this support and begin a new bullish cycle, the next major resistance area sits around the $4,000 to $5,000 range, highlighted by the upper green box on the chart. That means investors are looking at a potential upside that could be several times greater than the downside risk, especially when accumulating gradually within a strong support zone. We should also pay attention to market sentiment. During major market cycles, some of the best long-term opportunities often appear when excitement is low and uncertainty is high. Looking at the current structure, Ethereum is no longer trading near euphoric highs. Instead, it's consolidating near a key support level, where patient investors typically start building positions. Of course, no support level is guaranteed to hold. Markets can always move lower, and that's why risk management remains essential. Rather than investing all at once, many investors prefer a dollar-cost averaging approach, gradually accumulating over time to reduce risk. To summarize, Ethereum is currently sitting on a major long-term support trend line. The $1,500 to $2,000 range represents a strong historical demand zone, and if this support continues to hold, it could become one of the most attractive accumulation areas for investors with a multi-year outlook. The key takeaway here is simple. When everyone is excited, opportunities are often limited. When the market is testing major support and sentiment is uncertain, that's where some of the best long-term opportunities can emerge. Be advised, this analysis is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts on Ethereum's future in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.